all, I'm Aisha Rushta from 10th standard.
I'm Rizna. I'm Archila. Guys, I'm Jibin. I'm Sharma.
Hi, I'm Fatima Hanna.
Hi everyone. We wish you all happy Independence Day. We are from Al Hidayat English Medium School and we are studying in 10th standard. We are here with some valuable quotes to enlighten you in this auspicious occasion. I know women of my country are not safe. Innocent kids die in hunger. No actual freedom yet. I will celebrate Independence Day when patriotism is not about applauding status and forwarding message. When patriotism is all about standing for Jana Gana Mana with your souls. Seeing women, respect with your eyes. What is not for money? When every person think about the betterment of nation, when every child of my country gets food and education. I always love my India and I always proud of her heritage and diversity. I will celebrate it as I am proud of all souls fought hard for saving my India from slavery and all souls that are still fighting borders so that my people can live peacefully and souls that are working hard for making my India a better country. Jai Hind.
We all should feel proud of being a part of the independent nation that gives us the freedom to live our lives in our own way. After a long struggle of thousands of freedom fighters and great leaders, we got our independence. They all sacrificed their lives to get the independence. We are celebrating the independence for those who drive the nation out of the long slavery. So, we want to keep our spirit of the enjoyment of the freedom. Jai Hind.
August 15 was the most important and the most fortunate day in Indian history. Our freedom fighters sacrificed their life. They had sacrificed many things. Many people become lost their children. Many women become widows. And many loss happened to our India. Freedom fighters got the freedom along with India's Nagdali. Today we are celebrating Independence Day as a festival. Independence Day is not a simple thing. We have to celebrate it every day. Independence Day has a lot of importance that is not known by today's generation. Today's generation, the people are only looking and they are only thinking about their luxurious things. They need luxuries. They are not thinking about what happened in ancient time. Why the independence got us? Why we are free now? They are not thinking about that. We should think about it. Fighters sacrifice their life. But we are not respecting, the new generation people are not respecting them nowadays. It's not only celebrating the Independence Day a single day. We have to celebrate our Independence Day every day. Because we are Indians. It's everything. How we got independence, everything we have to remember every time, every day. So, we have to think how they got independence, how we are free enough. It's to do something worthy and we have to make our ancestors proud. And we have to think and we have to do, we have to work. Guys, at last, let me share with you one thing. The period from 1858 to 1947, the Britishers colonized the Indian subcontinent. This time period is known as British rule. So we have to think about it, we have to know about it. We are Indians, we have to be proud as an Indian. So, stay safe, celebrate Independence Day guys, and Jai Hind.
Today, we cherish the one who made our independence possible. Freedom is hard to get, but we were blessed to have it. Let's appreciate everything we have and celebrate the great miracle of freedom. Freedom is the most precious thing in every human's life. No one has the right to take it away, and we need to do everything to protect our society from cruelty and violence. If a man takes away someone's freedom, he no longer has his freedom as well. Without freedom, we don't have a name, one vision, one nation, one identity. If our country is dying for during wars, we should also realize that worth living for in time of peace. We all are so different, but there is one thing that unites us and its independence. We should honor it and never forget how hard it was to get it. Enjoy this beautiful Independence Day. Thank you.
The future of the country depends upon its students. Your persistence, dedication and commitment to your life will determine the future of India. So let us come together and celebrate the free spirit of India. Always feel proud to be an Indian. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Freedom should not be something you have to deserve. It's something you just naturally have.
something that no one can take away from you. We are so lucky that our forefathers have given us a land of peace and happy, where we can sleep without fear and enjoy the whole day in our school or home. Our country is developing very fast in the field of technology, education, sports, finance and various other fields which were almost impossible before the freedom. India is one of the countries rich in nuclear power. Our country is going ahead by actively participating in Olympics, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. We have the full rights to choose our government and enjoy the largest democracy of the world.
Thank you for watching our video, guys.